subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Infinix has launched its new affordable smartphone under Hot 20 lineup in Philippines called Infinix Hot 20s with quite unique rear panel design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Hot 20s features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus HyperView display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Mediatek Helio G96 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Infinix Hot 20s supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.6 aperture, along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with thermal heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.65 by 76.75 by 8.47mm, and it weighs around 202 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Hot 20s has been priced in Philippines at 8,499 Philippine pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black, purple, blue, white, and there are 2 neon editions as well. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Hot 20s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.